great day. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Elsa, the famous Disney character from Frozen. She's also my favorite Disney character. So let's get on to it. So first we should draw an 5.3 centimeter line horizontally and draw a 5 centimeter line vertically. That's where we're going to draw the face. So next, by leaving a 2 cm gap, we're going to draw another shape. So vertically it should be 8 cm and vertically it's supposed to be 9 cm and horizontally it's supposed to be 8. So now we're just going to leave a 0.9 cm gap, and we're just going to put a mark there, and 2.7 centimeter gap, and put a point there and draw a line at an angle. And on the other one, at the edge, at your left edge, we should draw a line leaving a 1.3 centimeter gap. So let's just start with the face. So this is where we're drawing the face. We're just going to draw two other lines at an angle for, like, you know, the eyes. And now we're just going to draw the face shape. So yeah, just starting off from, you know, the head shape, and you're just going to draw it like that. There we go. We're just going to do that. And you can outline it later, or you can outline it now if you would like. It's your choice. So that's the shape. You can fix it later after you drew all the other face parts, because sometimes, like, it looks too chubby or it looks too small. You can set that up later. So now we're just going to start with drawing the eye. From the vertical line, we're just going to take some gap and draw an eye shape. And guys, Elsa is anime, there's no such thing. So eye is supposed to be really big, like in the movie, they're nice and blue. So we're just gonna draw that. So yeah. And we're gonna draw an eyeball inside. So she's looking at the side, so that's how we should be drawing her. So you can just darken it. Guys, that's the final thing. And now we're just gonna draw the eyelash. She has really big eyelashes, so just gonna make that a bit bigger than usual. Gonna shade that in. And now we're gonna put a mark at our right side. I mean our left side, sorry. And we're just going to draw the other eye. Remember, draw really nice and big eyes, because this is anime, not like realistic as in a real person's eyes. Now we're just going to draw the eyelids. Don't draw too dark. And just going to do like a rough sketch of the nose. Guys, if the face is too small, you can fix it later. But now we're just drawing the eyebrows. Now we'll be just drawing the lips. So start off with a horizontal line, like curved, and then draw your regular lips, like how you regularly draw them. And if the face is too small or anything, you can fix that, because after you drew all the face parts, you'll start to realize what shape the face should actually be and everything. Now we're going to do some details with the hair. Two like horizontal lines. And we're just going to draw like a strand of hair. It should touch the eyebrow and be slightly down. Elsa's hair is gorgeous, so this is the part you might want to get very nice and right, because that's how you recognize the Disney character. Her hair is so beautiful. Now we're just going to draw another strand of the hair. Just erase the lines we drew earlier. And now just going to draw the neck to, the line we drew by our light right in the beginning. First draw it light and then darken it. Now we're just going to draw the hair. So not really the hair, this is just an outline in which like we should draw her braid. It's just an outline. Now we're just going to start drawing the hair. Like do a swirl, like first going vertically to horizontally. And then do like horizontal curved lines. Just gonna draw the ear. Just carry on with just building up the strands. Now we're just gonna draw like the real hair, we're just gonna do that now. So now you should just follow the pattern. You have to get the hair nice and right. You may as well add some like loose strands. Now we'll just start by drawing the body. So the hand is supposed to be 3.3 centimeters wide. So just drawing the hand. It looks weird now, but after you draw the rest of the body, it'll look fine. Just going to draw a curved vertical line. And now draw the other hand like that. You can darken the outlines and everything. Just adding in the details. Just erase all the other lines later. If the body doesn't look right, you can just change it up at the last moment and just bring it to the right shape. Make some nice dark outlines because we're going to be coloring this later, like the real, Elsa in the real movie animation thing. Just gonna, do it. So yeah. Make sure you're using a nice pencil and everything. And the design on her dress is up to you. You can use your creativity. Now we're just going to be moving on with drawing the rest of the hair. Just follow the pattern and you'll end up with some great hair. And now the other side. And the hair looks gorgeous now. So guys, now we should just use a nice yellow fluorescent Faber-Castell highlighter. So I'm just going to outline all the pencil, outlines we drew earlier. Just gonna outline all the hair. I love fluorescent yellow. It's a beautiful color and it'll go just perfect with her hair. So you can also do that for the eyebrows. Now we're done. And we're just going to use a blue highlighter to do the dress. So it's just based on the design you chose. I told you you can be creative and you can go with whatever design you chose for her dress. But I'm just using something simple. Just gonna color the line I drew earlier in blue. And the rest of the dress you can finish with polka dots or whatever you like. Now I'm going to use a light blue glitter gel pen to color her eyeballs. She has nice bright blue eyes, so just adding a little nice shimmer or touch to them. I love using glitter gel pens. They're the best. Now we're going to use a red marker, normal marker, not highlighter, and we're just going to trace the lips. There we go. Now we'll use a blue crayon, a light blue crayon, and I'll just be coloring the sleeves of her dress. I'm just going with the basic Elsa outfit. Always wears blue. So I colored the rest. Now I'm going to use a yellow roll-up crayon to color in the rest of the hair. It's a nice combination, like the outline is fluorescent yellow and the real hair is like normal primer yellow. Nice combination. We're gonna color the hair tie in blue now. Now we're going to use just a red pencil and color it up. We're just going to draw some beautiful snowflakes, like little tiny stars or something, on her dress. Now it looks gorgeous. Now we're just going to use my favorite glitter pens and draw some snowflakes. Just gonna draw, 6 lines and just gonna decorate them like draw like a V shape between each two lines and draw circles at each of their ends and V shapes like going towards it. You can choose any design. It's your choice, creativity, and it should look something like this. So guys, we're just gonna draw the rest of the snowflakes in. And yeah, this is the basic drawing. I hope you liked the video. We'll link the rest in the description box below. I hope you're having a great day. Bye!